Today, I'm going to teach you how to crop to a circle in Wix. This is a really useful feature when you want to create profile pictures, rounded product images, or just give your site a more polished, modern look. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. This will open a drop-down selection with several options related to your website management. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to use a circle crop on. It's always a good idea to double check that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites through your Wix account. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize every aspect of your site's appearance. From here, locate the Add Elements option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is your gateway to all the tools and features you can use to enhance your website. Once the Add Elements menu expands, you'll see a comprehensive list of elements you can use to customize your website. To showcase the circle crop procedure, we'll be adding an image, simply a stock one for demonstration purposes. Click on the image element and select any image, then drag it onto your website canvas. This will place the image where you want it on your page. Once the image is added, simply click on it to select it. You'll notice a settings menu appear at the top of the image. This menu contains all the options you need to modify the image. From this menu, look for the crop button and click on it. The menu will change into crop settings, giving you access to various cropping tools. From here, locate the shape crop button and click on it. You will now be presented with several shapes that instantly crop your image into different geometric forms. Look for the circle shape among these options. Once you select the circle shape, simply position the image where you want it to be cropped in a circle. You can adjust the positioning to make sure the most important part of your image is centered within the circular frame. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your image into a circle shape in Wix. This simple technique can dramatically improve the visual appeal of your website by creating clean, professional-looking circular images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.